How to create and edit Roblox TikToks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to edit a Roblox gameplay on CapCut for your TikTok and other social media platforms. So for that, just open your Roblox account, and after that just go to the avatar section from the bottom, and here you will have your avatar. So you can also customize the avatar as per your need. You can add some animation onto the avatar you wanted to walk or something like that. So once you're okay with it, just make sure that you're screen recording your avatar. And once you're done screen recording it, so just close your Roblox and just open your CapCut account. And once you open your CapCut account, just click on create from the top, and after that just select the video that you have just recorded and click on add, and after that just cut the video and now just play it. You can also zoom it if you want to, and now you can add any audio track of your choice. So just select the sound from your device, and once you added the audio, just check the video if it is fine or not. And if you want to do further editing in it, like adding sound flex or effects or anything like that, filters or anything like that, and once you are done, just go to the download section from the top and export the video in your device, and then you can go ahead and upload the video in your TikTok or any other social media platform. So this way you will be able to create and edit Roblox TikToks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.